In this video, I will explain what pitch and volume are and how they differ. You will learn how sounds are created and what influences them. Sound is a form of energy that spreads in waves. These waves are created by vibrations of objects or air. Our ear can perceive these vibrations as sounds or noises. Without a medium such as air or water, sound cannot propagate. A sound is created when an object vibrates regularly. These vibrations set the surrounding air in motion and generate sound waves. Depending on the frequency of these vibrations, we hear high or low sounds. The vibrations can be created by various materials and instruments. Pitch refers to whether a sound is high or low. It depends on the frequency of the vibrations, which is measured in hertz. A high frequency means a high sound, while a low frequency means a low sound. Musical instruments can produce different pitches by changing their vibrations. Pitch is determined by the frequency of the vibrations. The faster an object vibrates, the higher the pitch. In instruments, pitch can be altered by the length or tension of the vibrating parts. For example, a short guitar string produces higher sounds than a long one. Volume refers to how loud or quiet a sound is. It depends on the amplitude of the vibrations, which indicates how strongly the air moves. A large amplitude creates a loud sound, and a small amplitude creates a quiet sound. Volume is measured in decibels. Volume depends on the energy of the vibration. The stronger the vibration, the louder the sound we hear. If you lightly pluck a guitar string, the sound is quiet. If you press harder, a louder sound is produced because the vibrations are greater. Our ear captures sound waves and converts them into electrical signals. These signals are transmitted to the brain, where they are processed. Depending on the frequency and amplitude, we perceive sounds differently. We hear high frequencies as high-pitched sounds and loud vibrations as strong sounds. Sounds vary depending on the environment. Hard surfaces reflect sound waves, creating an echo. Soft materials like carpets or curtains absorb the sound and make it quieter. The air temperature also affects the speed of sound and thus the perception of sounds. Understanding pitch and volume helps us better comprehend music and language. It is used in many fields, such as music production or acoustics. Sound also plays a role in medicine, for example, in ultrasound examinations. The physics of sound is therefore important for many applications.